All right, so I popped the hood and... Wait, is that Gatorade in the coolant tank? All right, let's see what comes out of here. Oh, that's definitely not coolant. That's a sugar bomb. You ever try to clean up a sugar spill in an engine bay? Yeah, it's about as fun as it sounds. All right, let's do this the right way. Actual coolant, not something from the vending machine. All right, let's fire her up and see if she runs cooler than a mountain stream. See that? That's the good kind of steam. Means she's breathing easy again. Next time, if it doesn't say coolant on the bottle, don't put it in your car. Trust me.
So, if you ever see red in your coolant tank, double check before you panic. Unless it smells like fruit punch, then you know who to call.